TechnoGimp. Make me a name tag. Teach. Software demo. Learners create a personalized name tag using the Paintbrush and Text Tools. List of topics. Using the Paintbrush tool to color the name tag. Inserting text using the Text tool. Materials. Computer. TechnoGimp workbook, pages 29 to 34. Have you tried using a paintbrush to paint a wall or a canvas? What does it feel like as the paintbrush brushes through the wall or the canvas? Activity: make me a name tag. Paintbrush tool. The Paintbrush tool in GIMP allows you to paint different kinds of strokes on the canvas. A wide variety of brush strokes is available for use in the brush dialog. 1. Using the Paintbrush tool, create and color a digital name tag. To do this, first create a new file with 1800 pixels as width and 600 pixels as height. Two, go to the toolbox and click on the Paintbrush tool or press the shortcut key P. 3. Next, go to the brush dialog and select your preferred brush stroke to paint on the canvas. 4. After selecting a brush stroke, go to the tool or brush options under the toolbox. To change the size, aspect ratio, angle, spacing, hardness, and force of the brush. 5. Change the brush color in the foreground color selector. In this example, F1E3E6 was used as the HTML notation, or color code, which is for getting a specific shade of color. 6. Choose a hard brush style. Use 2, hardness 100, 51x51, as your brush stroke to easily color the white canvas. You can also increase the brush size to easily cover big areas. The image below is a comparison between A hard brush and B soft brush that both use 150 as their brush size. Notice how the soft brush is lighter and smaller because of its fuzzy edges. 7. Click on the canvas and drag the cursor until all white areas are covered. Eight. Explore and use other brush strokes and colors to design the name tag. 3 color codes were used in this example: A5 CAC2. E98 DC7. And F1C699. Nine. The text tool is used to insert text in the image you are working on. To use this tool, go to the toolbox and click on the Text tool or press the shortcut key T. 10. Click on the canvas and drag the cursor. A rectangular text guide will then be created while dragging the cursor. 11. type your name or text that you want to put in the name tag. In this example, JOY was typed in uppercase letters. Highlight or select the whole text by dragging the cursor over the text. Increase its font size using the dialog box on top of the text. You can use the arrow keys or simply input your preferred font size. Change the font by going to the tool or text options located below the toolbox and clicking on the box next to the font name. A drop-down list of fonts will then appear. In this example, MV Boley was selected. 14. Use the Move tool to move the text to the center. The shortcut key for the Move tool is M. When moving the text, make sure that the text layer is selected. If you accidentally move the background, press Ctrl+Z to undo the action. As a last touch, you can change the font color using the dialog box on top of the text. Make sure that the text is selected or highlighted before clicking on the Change Color palette. 16. In the Change Color or Selected Text dialog box that will appear. 1. Choose your preferred color for the selected text using the color slider or picker. 2. Click on OK once you are done selecting a color. In this example, the color dark gray was selected. The font color should now be changed to the color you have picked. If the text color did not change, it means that the text was not selected or highlighted. Processing questions. How was your experience in creating your own name tag? Was painting in GIMP similar to what you have experienced when you painted a wall or a canvas? Check your understanding. Knowing how to add text using the text tool in GIMP is necessary if you want to convey your intentions or impart information to your audience. And much like a normal paintbrush, the Paintbrush tool in GIMP gives you the freedom to paint anything. These two tools are great for expressing yourself and creating artworks that can be meaningful to others.